Hello everyone, and welcome to break 4625 in the 2020-21 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, March 22nd, 2021. It's 10:43 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:43 p.m. Central Time, and 7:43 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Mile 2 spots, Sierra Lee with 2, Tupa 5, Calabrice 5, John Head 5, Ken 2, T-Backer 5, Rose Before Hose with 1, I Chef Around 2, Mike Will 2 spots. Let's randomize 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Mile on top, Mike Will bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7, Tupa on top, Bryce on the bottom. Okay, Tupa with the Ducks, T-Backer with the Coyotes, Tupa Bruins, John Head with the Sabres, Tupa Flames, Bryce with the Hurricanes, John Head Blackhawks, Mike Will Avalanche, Tupa with the Blue Jackets, John Head Stars, Ken with the Red Wings, Mile Oilers Panthers, Ken with the Kings, T-Backer Wild Canadians, John Head Predators, T-Backer Devils Islanders, John Head with the Rangers, I Chef Around Senators, Sierra Lee with the Flyers, Calabrice Penguins, Blues, Rose Before Hose with the Sharks, Tupa Lightning, Sierra Lee with the Leafs, Mike Will Canucks, I Chef Around Golden Knights, Bryce Capitals, and the Winnipeg Jets. Alright guys, let's see what we have here. Whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. And we have an authentic fabric single auto patch game used. And Rick Zetterberg, 18 out of 50. Very nice for the Red Wings. Zetterberg out of 50. Patch auto. Here's the back. Game used. And the Detroit Red Wings going to Kenneth. Congrats on break 4625 in the 2020-21 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph 8x10. And up next is the football limited edition 4626. Thanks.